Hey guys, welcome to the Do It Guy. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn this leftover pile of wood into a cool snowboard ramp. First, you have to make the frame. I choose to do it 24-inch wide and 72-inch long. And I use the 3x3 for the front for extra support. For the middle, I doubled up on a 2x4 just to make sure it's gonna be strong enough. Nail the back end together with another piece of 2x4. It's time to cover the top with plywood, and as you can see, my leftover plywood is not big enough to cover the whole thing at once, so I'm gonna do it in pieces. Luckily I didn't keep all the plywood outside, so this one is in a good shape. I use the chalk line to make a straight line so I can make the cut as straight as I can. But even if the cut is not perfectly straight, it's still gonna work. Keep it in mind we're using leftover recycled wood. Now I have the top covered with plywood, I will nail the 3x3 into place. Now comes the whiteboard. This is a 4x8 1/4 of an inch thick plastic board. I bought it from Home Depot for 20 bucks. After I made my marks, I'm gonna use a chalk line because this time I have to make sure that my cut's gonna be nice and straight. I'm using a regular 1.5 inch drywall screw to secure the whiteboard to the plank. It's important to sink the screw below the surface of the whiteboard, so the edge of the snowboard won't catch and you're gonna have a smooth slide. Here is a closer look how it should look like. Put a screw every 6 to 8 inch. Now let's make the front legs. I'm using leftover 3x3s and I'm cutting them to 12-inch long. So let's put them into place. As you can see, I picked up the nail gun because it's a lot easier and faster to nail in an angle. I hoped that the snow will melt at this point, but oh well. It's very important to brace the legs properly, so it won't collapse when you try to make a jump. Adding extra support from the front. And it's finished. All it's left to do is to put it into place and have some fun.